can see right here the problem. Didn't put any damn plus. It's kind of needs to like flatten out a little bit. Yeah, it's kind of might need to put a little piece of wood under there to kind of. So we need to cut this, put it under there because this shouldn't be flat. Or I mean, this should be flat, not curved like that. The water's not coming out. What in the hell were they doing? Huh, that's weird. They just left these holes here, like right here. I guess they just didn't know what they were doing, I guess. Yeah, you can see the problem up over there. It needs to be buckled up, but really it's actually still in pretty good shape. Needs a few things, but not bad. This actually might do it right here. You know, shove that sucker under there like that. Yeah, don't fall off on that side. Now, you go over here, you can be hosed. You don't want to do that. Your ass would be toast. Probably need to do that from the inside. Yeah. Alrighty. Alright, well we figured out why this leaking up here, because look at that shit. What in the hell? I mean, that ain't gonna do shit. Same thing with down here. These guys left this stuff open. Like right here. Look at this. It's completely open right here. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what's up with that. They did that here. And here. And a few places along here. They didn't even freaking seal it up. I don't know why they did that. That just doesn't make no sense why they doubled that up and left a hole right there. So we got to fix that too. Probably need to put one small one here maybe. We'll see. That one's kind of torn there. Found this roofing cement, man, that I thought it'd be all dried up and hard by now and everything, but I mean, this stuff here just never goes bad. Look at that tar, man. You know, and I used this stuff when I built that gray shed and did the roof on it, and that was like, oh man, easy 8 years ago. And well, probably even more than that, maybe like 9 years, I don't know, a long time ago. But this stuff here's still good. So we're gonna throw this stuff up on top. Okay, so I went ahead and got that patched up on the top. Now we're just about ready to put in these last couple shingles down here at the bottom here and get this wrapped up. Okay, it's all nailed in. Ready to go, nice and solid. So now it's time for the installation. Plywood was free too as well. So